Would you like to become one of the most preferred candidates when you go for a job interview? Or how many times in an interview have you come across this question? Do you know advanced Excel? Or have you been through a job opening which says vacancy for MIS executive and you have been wondering what is MIS? Let me put you through in a situation. Imagine yourself as a hiring manager of a multinational company. Two candidates waiting to be interviewed by you. You glance through their resumes and in the technical education section, you read out. One resume says basic computer course, another resume says advanced Excel expert. Whom do you choose? It's obvious, right? The one with the advanced Excel expertise. Even before you meet the candidates, you have made up your mind who will be selected. And this is exactly what happens when we go out for a job interview. Even before we go to the personal round of interview, our resume says a lot much about us. And now is the time to power up your resume with Microsoft Excel advanced level skills. Here we bring you a course which is designed by none other than MKCL. Yes, the Maharashtra Knowledge Corporation Limited. They are the pioneers of IT education who have been trained more than 1 crore 40 lakh students with their flagship courses since 20 years. This course is Click Advanced Excel course. Now what is Click? Click is knowledge-led career, which means this course is filled up with knowledge that will boost your career growth. The course contents covered up in this course such as using custom layouts, using conditional formatting, managing scenarios, creating pivot tables, pivot charts, data visualization, and many more are usually packed up in a course worth at least up to rupees 50,000 in any private institution. This course also gives you free bonus modules. One of them is data automation with macros, worth at least up to 8,000 rupees, wherein you get to learn how to generate reports in just click of a button. So you automate everything. Another free bonus module is computer data typing and basics of data management, wherein you are introduced to the concept of data management and you are made to learn how professionals organize and manage their data. And this module is worth at least rupees 5,000. Another free bonus module included in this course is open source tools for data management, which is at least worth up to rupees 15,000. Wherein you are introduced to online business intelligence tools such as Google Data Studio. Now, in this course, you get to learn advanced Microsoft Excel skills, plus data automation with macros, plus computer typing data management, plus online business intelligence tools like Google Data Studio, all worth at least up to rupees 43,000. But here in this special offer price, you get all of this with government recognized certificate at just rupees 5,000. This is one of the best offers in the market. So click the link, enroll today and add advanced Microsoft Excel skills to your resume.